Hello everyone. In today's video, we will solve this problem based on the concepts of arithmetic sequence. So in this problem, we have to find the general term and the recursive formula for this given arithmetic sequence. So this is the given sequence 15, 23, 31, 39 and so on. So let's start by finding the general term. So the formula for the general term of an arithmetic sequence is Tn equals A plus n minus 1 times D. Now in this formula, Tn represents the nth term in an arithmetic sequence. A is the first term in the arithmetic sequence. N is the number of terms and D is the common difference of the arithmetic sequence. Now in order to find the general term, we'll have to use the values of A and D from the given sequence. Now A represents the first term in the sequence, so the value of A is 15. Now D represents the common difference. The common difference is the difference between the consecutive terms in an arithmetic sequence. Now in this given sequence, 15 and 23 are consecutive terms. So the difference between these terms is 8. So we do 23 minus 15, which is equal to 8. So 15 plus 8 becomes 23. Now we can use any two consecutive terms to find the common difference. So 31 minus 23 is also plus 8, and then 39 minus 31 is also plus 8. Since it's given that it's an arithmetic sequence, the values will be the same throughout the sequence. Now we can sub in these values in the general term formula. So the A value is 15 plus the n minus 1 stays the same, and we sub in D as 8. Now we have to simplify this expression, so we should start by distributing 8 into the parentheses. So we'll multiply n and negative 1 by 8. So we get 15, which stays as it is, plus 8 times n, which is 8n, and then 8 times negative 1, which is negative 8. Now we can simplify this expression by combining like terms. So 15 and negative 8 are like terms. So we can keep the 8n as it is because there is no other n term in this expression. And then we can do 15 minus 8, which is equal to 7. So this is the final answer for the general term of this given arithmetic sequence. Now we can find the recursive formula for this given arithmetic sequence. So before we find the recursive formula, let's write the definition for the recursive formula and try to understand what it is. So a recursive formula is a formula that describes a term using its previous term. So the recursive formula for an arithmetic sequence is Tn equals Tn minus 1 plus D. So this is something you have to understand and memorize. So what this means is that the nth term in the sequence is equal to the n minus 1th term plus the common difference of the arithmetic sequence. So all we need to do is just sub in the D value that we found in the previous part of the problem. So the D value for this given sequence is 8. So we sub in D as 8, and this should be the final answer for the recursive formula of this arithmetic sequence. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.